What is up? Let's get straight into the video. Little weekly outlook, nothing crazy. Yeah. So I have the Lucid Live. Gonna be risking 400 max on that. And then on my Apex is gonna be risking 250 max on those, because those are basically at all-time high balances. And just gonna continue to take it slow for the rest of March. We still have all of this week and all of next week, and then 2 days to see what happens. There's genuinely no rush. Just gonna see what the accounts look like at the end of these 2 weeks, and as the accounts go up, I will continue increasing size as I'm getting more. Because once the trailing drawdown stops on Apex, that will be nice. And yeah, we'll just keep looking for like 1/9, 1/8, depending on how we're feeling. So coming in tomorrow, no news Monday, 8:30 orange folder. Tuesday, we have really nothing. Wednesday, PPI, and then FOMC, and then nothing for the rest of the week. So it's possible we kind of want to wait, chop around until Wednesday, but we shall see. So let's get straight into the charts and go over what price is telling us. So remove all our drawings here. Remove. All right. Start on the weekly. So last week, as we could see, pretty big range, but not too big of like a strong close, either bullish or bearish. We did see this, We did see this sell side liquidity level swept here. I think it's still intact on ES. Dude, I'm literally clicking it. Yeah, still intact on ES, so that's relative equal lows on the weekly. That we do still have bullish SMT though, but not too concerned with that. Just gonna mark it out. Overall, higher time frame weekly seems to be a little more bearish just because we've had closes down out of this range. Last 3 weeks have been very wick heavy closes though, so keep that in mind. Deliveries might not be as profound as we would hope, but yeah, that's what the weekly's telling me. A little bearish. Looking at the daily here, same thing, have that relative equal low right there. Boom, last week, where's our previous weekly high? Previous weekly high right here, could be a potential target. That would be an external buy side liquidity target. And then over on ES as well, we have our external previous week high. Look at this daily time frame here. I can see a strong body close under this. But this is technically this is a series of down close, because we do have this bullish hammer doji candle right here. So a little daily change in the state of delivery. Looking higher, we have a bearish daily fair value gap right here. Boom. Dog. Have that daily bearish. Same thing over on ES, same exact daily bearish there, so keeping that in mind. But on ES, it's not a change in the state, as it's just one bullish candle. It's just I won't even count it as anything. But yeah, daily looking a little bearish. Again, we're down and out of this chop that we've been in freaking since the beginning of February. Like, look at that, bro. Literally barcode chop price action. Not that PA has been bad. I've just been making bad decisions, but ended last week very nice with that really good winner. So let's bring that into this next week and focus on taking. Literally just wait until it's there, and if it's there, take it. If not, move on with my day. So daily's telling me a little bit there. Bearish, no new week opening gap. Not too concerned with this previous week new week opening gap, because we've been trading within it since Thursday. So I'm not going to use that as really confluence much at all. Just going to be kind of observing new formations. Relative equal lows down here on ES. 1.2% away. And then from the respective low on NQ, 2% away. So we'll see what wants to happen there. Very small 4-hour bearish fair value gap, 4-hour inverse, which I will mark this out just because it got disrespected. What day? That was Friday, I guess, but never topped back into. So we'll see. I do want to see if this is valid. 4-hour inverse fair value gap, reason it's inverse. Boom, perfectly, these bodies perfectly respect. And then Friday, that 10 a.m. bearish candle, boom, closes lower under it, causing price to disrespect it, turning it into an inverse. What else do we have here on the 4-hour? Nothing much on ES. I don't really care about these imbalances over here. Let's drop down the hourly. This definitely does not need to be boom, 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 like like that. There we go. Do we have any SMT? No. What is this? Friday's high. We'll mark that as internal buy side. Boom. Friday high over here as well. Hourly again, that Friday displacement move lower. Dude, did I short Friday? I'm pretty sure I longed, bro. But I mean, I won, which is interesting. But we're just learning from that. And yeah, don't think this is swept, this is swept, this is swept. It's not swept on NQ, but I really don't care because we have like basically equal lows down here. I'm not going to be concerned with an internal hourly bullish S&P at some random intermediate term wick lows. So yeah, there's that. Looking at the 15 here, yeah, new week opening gap, had a lot of volatility at that opened candle, fully mitigated wicked everything, not too concerned with that. Came up, kind of swept out this low resistance liquidity, put it in Friday. Let's check here. Swept a lot of that out. Looking, yeah. Do we have any hourly? Only hourly bearish inbounds. We do have a lot of stuff in here, but again, no news Monday. I don't want to expect too much coming in the week. Yeah, that's really all I got. Just want to do a nice weekly outlook, talk about what I'm thinking. I guess we can mark this out because, well, that is a lot, actually. 230 points is a pretty big range. That's our internal sell side level. And we have our internal buy side level marked out right here. Where's 10 a.m.? Wow, that's a long ways off. But yeah, really all I got coming into the week. Accounts are looking really healthy. Apexes are at an all-time high. As you can see, are at all-time highs. And basically have the full drawdown. Not quite 2,300 on our lower, but highest balance. And then 2,400 across the others. Again, just going to be slowly chipping away at those. Trying to build those up, get those to that 4,100. 54,100. Take a 2K payout from each. Boom, that's 12K. And yeah, that's really all I'm focusing on this week. Just going to be patient, literally just be patient and picky. If it's subpar, I'm not going to take it. I'm really going to move on, preserve my capital. Going to be risking heavier on the Lucid, risking 400 per trade. And yeah, that is all I got for today. I will see you guys tomorrow. Peace.